Hey everyone. My life has been a mess, or not a mess, disorganized the past like almost month, and that's not like me. That's not who I want to be. That's not, it's just disorganized. I'm not trying to blame Afro Nation, but after I came back from Afro Nation, it was just hard to catch up that I just kept becoming more disorganized. If I'm gonna be honest, I haven't deep cleaned my space in such a long time. I've had homework and everything stacked since it's coming towards the end of the semester. I'm not graduating this semester, but I'm graduating next semester, so I'm graduating December. But anyway, this semester is probably the busiest semester in school that I've had in a long time. Having a lot of work, and when your environment is not clean, you tend to not be productive, and that's what I caught myself a bunch of times. With work, with school, with everything, my space has just not been clean. So I would like surface clean it, but I haven't like deep cleaned it. I'm gonna actually deep clean. It's gonna be like the spring cleanup. I'm out of here in like a couple of months because there were some housing issues and they said I didn't renew it. Anyway, it's okay. The Lord got me for next semester. I'm gonna clean the kitchen first. I'm gonna move straight to the bathroom. I'm gonna finish off with my room. I've already done laundry. I want this to be like vlog type style because I feel like when I do that, it's better like engagement, and I can show you guys like what products I use, because me and cleaning products are like, I'm gonna turn on all the lights, which is weird. We don't usually do that. We usually take turns cleaning the kitchen like if it's needed. The kitchen kind of needs it. It's mostly the floor. Why is the camera doing that? I have 4 roommates. My last update was just 2 of us, but now it's 4 of us. And I feel like today, like I'm very motivated to clean. This is probably the last time I'm cleaning before like moving out of this place, because we only have 3 weeks of school left. Yeah, I'm just gonna clean it the best I can because I'm not touching it after this. So for these counters, I just used like a regular lemon scented disinfectant. They gave this to us, like it came with the place, like when we were coming in, they all gave us one. So I just use this just for the kitchen, but for my other products, I use it for my bathroom and everything. So I made brownies yesterday. I just had brownie mix, so I just made it. It turned out pretty good, but the second batter I made turned out so bad because it was in the fridge and it kind of like froze. So this is a good batch, but I only have like 2 more. I try to not eat that much because once I start eating sweets, I keep eating sweets like non-stop. Self-discipline. I can't keep eating it. This is a hack I learned. If you want to clean your like smoothie things, blenders or anything, you put water and soap in here and then you just blend it. Cleans it right out. All the small like protein powder, everything that gets stuck in there, and it doesn't smell. That's one thing I noticed. What is that? I made banana bread for my friend's birthday and there's like this white thing on the side. I think I didn't mix it that well. Can you guys guess what I'm listening to? You guys will never guess because the dance doesn't match the song. The kitchen took longer than I thought. It's already 9 and my goal was to finish the kitchen and the bathroom at 9, so the bathroom needs to be done clean, like actually clean it. I don't have a lot of time, so I need to get in it. I'm gonna clean my side of the sink. I'm gonna put my camera on my roommate's side. Sorry, girl. I need to dust this, to be honest. Our ventilation, I've already said this before, but it's so bad. There's legit feathers this big. I'm kidding. And it piles up quickly. For the sink, I used the Microbond, the 24 hours, the multi-purpose spray, and the scent, fresh scent. I think the other one is like citrus or orange or something. But this is the best smelling one. From the commercial, it says like once you spray it and you wipe it down, it's still cleaning it for 24 hours or disinfecting it for 24 hours. You know, like when scents smell like something? This legit reminds me of the beginning of the school year, like the first semester when I first moved in here. I used to always use this. So now that I spray, I mean, it's not a bad memory. It's just, when you just have like Oh yeah, this smells like the beginning of the year. Whole different roommates, new to this university, everything. I'm not a freshman, I'm a senior, but it's my first year on this campus, because I transferred. So for the inside of the sink, it needs more tough things, because you know, I brush my teeth in here, wash my face, just a bunch of stuff. I'm gonna use the Comet, the spray one. It's usually for bathtubs, but this, it's really strong. So it's also like for mildew and everything. I'm gonna clean really good. One thing I learned on TikTok, I don't know if I said it here, but if you use cleaners that has like mildew and everything that says on it, even though you don't have it, it'll clean it really good. Because if you use the daily disinfectant, daily stuff, it's only good for daily, which nobody cleans, like deep cleans daily. I advise you to get like mildew or anything. Daddy scrub. Then I'm gonna use this. This is a Pine Sol. I got my Pantol. I'm gonna use this on the sink just to disinfect it. And I'm gonna leave it on for like 20 minutes, 10 to 20 minutes. And it smells so good. It's my favorite cleaning smell. Okay, I'm gonna disinfect this quickly because I can't believe I decorated this at the beginning of the semester. Didn't notice it after. I was gonna use a glass, but it just needs like dusting. It doesn't really need fine without it. I don't know where I'm gonna put all this stuff when I go back home for summer. So I might just get a storage room and just rent it and put it, like each month pay for it. A lot of these things is just, I can't have it in our garage. Like this is not it. Plus my younger sisters, they're coming back home from, it's like they go to a school, I mean we all went to the same school, but they live over there, so all their things is coming back. That means like they're permanently moving. So with all these things, just there's not gonna be room. So I'm gonna start donating and like start organizing stuff, especially my clothes. I already have a bag, but I'm gonna make a bag today actually. Just start switching things out because I've been buying new clothes. Almost forgot about this. It's wax, so I usually like put it a paper towel. See, it's already like freezing. Ah, it's hot. See, now it gets on my counter and it's like stuck. So I have bergamot and sage, and then sweet apple. Sweet apple is more for fall. I got it during fall time, so I'm just gonna use this one. This one smells fresh. I got this from Walmart. It's like sweet, fresh, like out the shower, lemongrass. So I'm gonna put 1 cube and let it melt and let it smell bomb. Okay, so I'm done with the sink. Let's go to the toilet and shower section. Ugh, I hate doing that. That's my least favorite. I'm gonna do the bathtub during the weekday. I already washed it last week. I always wash my bathtub weekly because I do hair masks and I don't want my roommate to be like, you know, slipping on mayonnaise. I always try to clean that. This is what I use for the toilet. I use the Clorox. Yeah, fail. Anyway, I use the Clorox toilet cleaner. For the top part, I use Microban disinfecting spray. So I'm gonna do this now, even though I'm not sweeping right now. It's like, you know, the dirty bathroom item. What I do is I have baking soda in here, like the laundry kind, so I spread it all over because it cleans better. I also put laundry detergent. This is just like for the top part because it holds so much bacteria like coming out of the shower. So I put some of this, and then I put the Arm & Hammer detergent. I also put softener. Arm & Hammer, this is my normal detergent. I don't know if it's my favorite. I'm gonna go back to Tide because Tide is more, it's thicker, so I feel like it cleans better. This is thinner but smells so good. I'll give it a 7.5 out of 10 if you guys want to buy it. Oh shoot, I put way too much. And then I put this best smelling softener. It smells so clean. I hate Gain. I hate like sweet smelling detergent, lavender, none of that. I get this from Target. No, I need the temperature to be hot, so I need it to be clean. I'm gonna use this. It matches the softener. It smells so good. It makes all my clothes smell clean. So for my feminine basket that I put behind the toilet, even though I'm here for like one more cycle, I'm just gonna fill it up just in case like my roommate, she needs some, or guests or anything. So I'm gonna fill it up. And then I'm also gonna fill water on my Perry bottle. I really suggest everyone to get Perry bottles. Like, I legit can't use the bathroom, number 1 or number 2, without using a Perry bottle. And I just feel so much cleaner. I always use cool water because it's better than hot water, unless I have cramps. That wax is melting and it smells bomb. Now to my room. Actually, my room is the worst one. The room is just feels so small, but it has so much things. So I have some clothes to give away for donation, and then the other half is gonna be for Depop. I have to separate those. Follow my Depop because all my clothes that I'm gonna sell is gonna be on there. And I'm not gonna do it for a lot because I'm just trying to get rid of it. But you know, if it's actually nice, I'm gonna try to sell it. If it doesn't, I'll just donate it. Literally, it's to that point. I'm just trying to get rid of clothes I don't wear, pajamas I don't wear. And one of my goals for 2022 to get new pajamas and like cute pajamas because I want to feel cute going to bed. It's not for any guy. It's for me, like, to just feel cuter. Not cuter. Like, not just bummy and like wearing sweatpants all the time, going to bed and stuff like that. I want to get cuter, like more silk pajamas. Silk couple. Silk, sometimes I get too hot at night. I'm gonna be changing my whole pajama set. I'm doing it little by little. Like, I ordered pants last week from Amazon. Like, it's cute. It's men's though, but it's like you could wear it with like a crop, cute Sleeping Beauty. And most of these things, it's like it doesn't fit me anymore. Because I did gain over 20 pounds since last year, since 2020. See, these are the new pajama pants I got. I got extra large men. Look how big these are. But when you wear it with like cropped or like tighter top or like sports bra, and you go to bed with it, it's cute. The only time, I don't know how to feel about these. These are like backup, like laundry day. That's my plan. As I was saying before my camera is gonna die. I'm trying to change my whole wardrobe, but also buy more things, which is exciting. I'm gonna let my camera charge. Then I'm gonna sweep and dust off everything and finish my room for the night. I forgot to finish the rest, but right now it's currently like 1 a.m. I was doing physics, and physics takes a long time, so it took all my time. But I finished. I put all my donation in one pile, Depop on the other. I did my nightly ab routine. I always do that. And then now I'm gonna get ready for bed, and then I have to wake up by 8 tomorrow. I have to leave by 9. Yeah, I am so glad I cleaned. Everything smells so good and it feels clean. It feels like there's no dust. Like, it feels like there's a weight off. It feels good. I didn't film the rest because I was talking to my friend on FaceTime. I forgot I was filming. I was like, oh my goodness. But hope you enjoyed this video and hope it motivated you. Get up. Go clean that room. Go clean that bathroom you haven't cleaned in a long time. It feels so good when your environment's clean. Hope you enjoyed this video. Come again.